Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Z, and this is the Red Lipstick Roundtable Talk, and we are talking about 27 rules to success. And people who are successful move from wandering and, that general space of mind to more meaningful and specific space of mind. They get focused, right? And so they see the picture clearly. They know what they're looking for, and their vision is always growing. So vision isn't what it used to be. You might have a vision of being a doctor 20 years ago. That was me. But my vision now has improved, has grown, has gotten more specific, more fine-tuned. And so that's what we call a strong vision. And so if you want to be successful, you want to make sure that you have a strong vision. And that is our number 8 rule for success. And we'll see you for number 9. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care.
At Jer Skolman, follow now.